If you're experiencing login errors on Netflix, don't worry. This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve common issues step by step. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. You can try opening a website or using another app to confirm that your connection is working properly. Step 2. Verify your login credentials. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear cache and cookies. If you're using a web browser, clear your cache and cookies. This can resolve issues caused by outdated or corrupted data. For apps, you can usually find the option to clear cache in the settings menu. Step 4. Update the app or browser. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the Netflix app or your web browser. Outdated software can lead to compatibility issues. Check for updates and install them if available. Step 5. Restart your device. Sometimes, simply restarting your device can resolve login issues. Turn off your device completely, wait a few moments, and then turn it back on before trying to log in again. If you followed these steps and are still having trouble, consider reaching out to Netflix support for further assistance.